Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here and happy Monday. Today is February 5th, which means that we are just 2 days away from starting the CAD vs. CAD Spring Open Tournament. I am so excited about this tournament. This is going to be a 16-person tournament, but we were able to get 7 different CAD systems involved in this tournament, which I think is just super impressive. Beyond that, we were also able to get 10 different countries involved in this tournament. So we've got representation from all over the world. And what we're going to do in this video is we're just going to go over these lineups, these matchups. But if you want to get more information about the tournament, we've got a nice landing page over at tootalltoby.com/spring. So be sure to visit that landing page. And I can't remember if I said this already, but be sure to share this video on your network so that we can get as many people interested as possible in the tournament. All right, let's take a look at these matchups. This Wednesday, February 7th at 1 p.m., kicking things off with a bang, Imants versus Dusty Techno. Now, Imants made it into the Final Four last year. He's the #1 seed for this tournament, going up against Dusty Techno, an unknown, a new runner. So Dusty Techno came in 16th on the leaderboard, but we might see an upset in the very first round. Who knows? We're also going to see Mr. Alex, an old friend of the community from Latvia, going up against Jern, and Jern is using Build 123D. So this is a new CAD system that a lot of people haven't seen yet. It'll be a great chance to get some exposure. Then we're going to move on to February 14th. We're going to see Dom going up against Ty. And this is going to be a SolidWorks versus a Libre matchup. And we're going to see our first Australian competitor in that matchup. And then we're going to see a match between Chadwick. Chadwick is our kind of resident community inventor, instructor, professional. And Chadwick is going to be going up against a newcomer from Portugal, Guilherme. Hopefully I said your name right, bro. Guilherme is going to be using SolidWorks. SolidWorks versus Inventor, definitely going to be a good matchup. And of course, let me know down in the comments, who do you think is going to win this whole thing and who are you rooting for as you're watching these matchups? What do you think about these matchups? Do you think they're going to be even, or do you think someone's going to get completely blown out? Let me know down in the comments. That's going to move us into February 21st. We're going to see our friend Ex Machina from Greece running a Libre and going up against Mitchwent, and he's going to be from Poland using Inventor. So I think that's going to be a really cool matchup, a nice Libre versus Inventor matchup. And then we're going to see Airwick versus Will, and this is a match that I am very much looking forward to. These are two super strong competitors. Airwick from Canada running Onshape, and Will from Brazil running SolidWorks. I cannot wait to see this matchup. All right, moving on to February 28th, we're going to see Phosphor from Germany running Plasticity. So another kind of newcomer to the CAD scene, Plasticity. It's going to give a lot of people a chance to see a CAD system that maybe they haven't seen before. Going up against our friend Riccardo Salado from Italy. And I think this is going to be a really fun match, Plasticity versus SolidWorks. #5 seed versus #12 seed. We're going to see how this one goes down. And then we are going to round things out. We're going to end the initial round of 16 with Crispy Co. from Australia running SolidWorks, going up against Steamtronics. Steamtronics is our friend from the tournament last year. He's running Fusion 360. He's the only Fusion 360 runner in the tournament this year. So I am very excited to see how this all goes down. Go down into the comments and let us know, who do you think is going to be the champion? Who are you rooting for? And who do you think is going to take it all home? I'm very excited to see how this whole thing turns out. And I'll tell you who I'm rooting for during Model Monday Live today. So be sure to tune in to Model Monday Live if you want to know who Toby's going to be rooting for.